How do I know if my coolant needs replacing? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, coolant can also be referred to as either antifreeze or radiator fluid, but it's a fluid that flows through the engine to keep it cool. Now, here's the problem. If you look at it and it looks really rusty or dirty, it's actually too late. Something else is going on. Fresh, good, clean coolant has the consistency and appearance of like a Gatorade. And the color is strictly a dye package, so whether it's a pink or a blue or a green or whatever, it just needs to have that clarity to it. If you see some cloudiness to it, it's probably getting a little bit older. So the best way to know how often you should change it is strictly by miles. We suggest the first change to be at about 50,000. After that, about 36,000 miles. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.